demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, make it good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thought, I pump off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the start, proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down. I'll be getting loud, you never doubt, not what I'm about. Have you cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
My solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, you made it like this. So you can go big, the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. Standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, fiitjee win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. You never get lost without for your win. I miss the old you, we die for the purpose. All the energy around me, got nervous, scared I would fall off fast. Surface, had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give it up, and now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. I wore a flash of last, you never know what's up. With an axe to the back, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like a man, I'm a beast of the bad. They can never be me, nice guy, but they'll see I achieve everything, wanna stay salty.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can